Hashtag Sunday Sort has the thought experiment by physics lover. The more you find, the more appears that you have to find. Why the sky is blue? It is the our question of this day. The scientific challenge of the nature is to think, not only to discover, but to think continuously, and to try to penetrate this mystery why the sky is blue. In this, try to understand first question. In first, we assume that the earth, as a modest lady, has hidden herself under a valley. The sky is a valley which she has thrown around us. We cannot see the stars during the day because the valley hidden the stars. The valley is obviously the atmosphere of earth. The same valley which at night so transparent that we can see the faintest stars, so that the sky is not really blue, but in sunlight it seems to be blue. So the understanding of question, we uh, really think that the sky is not blue in color, but in the morning or the daytime it is seen to be blue. Think deeply in the sunlight passing through this great column of air, and it is the atmosphere, something that is transparent and invisible at night. It is the light or the sunlight. In clear full moon night, the sky not appears blue. Why? Why? Sunlight is moonlight. In why that it is not seen to be blue? Because we need to the sunlight. So why? The answer is illumination. Illumination is intensity of the light. Is moon's intensity of the light is far less powerful than the sun. So the sky blue in only the sunlight, not to be moonlight. Think more in your question. In illumination, the higher the illumination, brighter the color. You divide white light in various colors of spectra, i.e., with pure. Why the divide? Because of steam, water vapor, or dust particle. Why? What is causing by steam and dust particle forms cloud, and in atmospherical gases forms spectra. We see blue light in sky. So what happens with other color? When we spread out sunlight in the spectra, the blue part of is least intense part, less than one fourth part of this whole spectra. So what happens with the other color, and what is causing the dividation or the spectra of light? What happens really? The fact is that when we see a blue sky, we see the atmosphere of the earth. The gases of atmosphere, they diffuse the light, and we see the blue light of the sky. What happens to the rest of the light, the sunlight? Relatively to the red, yellow, and green, the blue and violet are strong in the scattered light, in diffuse light of blue sky. In this, it says to be red, yellow, and green are spread out, not that intensive that blue and violet are. Some other clues in biology or the chemistry, in fundamental fact of human vision, that the blue part of the spectrum, in spite of its weakness, domains the spectra. One experiment, simple one, you take water and put some copper sulfate, then put some excess ammonia. It is called cupromonium. put it in cell, your body cell or the other cell, it transmit only violet light. You add water, it changes to light to blue color. But till very last it remains to blue, not goes to the green, yellow and red. Why? We not really goes to the biology or the chemistry. So we say that scattering sunlight and fundamental fact of eye goes to the answer to the why the sky is blue goes to not in the answer of test. I want you to realize that the spirit of science is not finding short and quick answer. Don't be satisfied with short. In one question, you think about more. How big is the moon? What should be the brightness of the moonlight? Why does moon look so bright? What happens with sunlight in atmosphere and not the moonlight? Why cloud flowing in sky? Because cloud is made up of water vapor and the dust. It also heavy material. So why are they floating in sky? What happens with the dust, nuclei, and atmosphere? Why the light scattered from the dust nuclei? Why cupronicum transmit only violet and blue? It is the question of one question why the sky is blue. You have to answer this question. Your you need to answer this question or you need to any of the answer of question in physics comment section below to uh, think or to uh, learn about their answers. You are guys amazing. Thank you for watching Physics Love.